In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate science fair ideas in Google Gemini. First, open Google Gemini and start a new chat. A fresh conversation keeps the responses focused on your goal, and it lets you refine ideas without carrying over unrelated context. If you already have a chat open, you can clear it or simply begin with a clear instruction so Gemini understands what you want. Next, decide the grade level or age group you're working with. This matters because a fourth grader and a high school junior need very different levels of complexity, vocabulary, and safety considerations. Keep in mind the time you have, access to materials, and any school guidelines because those will shape what's appropriate. Now write a prompt that asks Gemini to generate science fair ideas. Be specific. Tell it the grade level, the subject areas you're interested in, like biology, chemistry, physics, or environmental science, and the complexity level, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. Ask explicitly for ideas that are safe, feasible, and creative. You might say, generate 15 safe, feasible, and creative science fair project ideas for a 7th grader interested in environmental science at a beginner level. Or list chemistry and physics project ideas for high school, intermediate difficulty that can be done with common classroom materials. If you have constraints, include them such as a 2-week timeline or low-cost supplies. The clearer your prompt, the more tailored the ideas will be. When Gemini returns a list, take a moment to review and shortlist the most promising options. Look for projects with a clear testable question, measurable outcomes, and materials you can realistically obtain. Favor ideas that teach a concept you're excited to learn and that fit your schedule. It can help to mark 3 to 5 ideas that stand out, then quickly note why each one appeals to you. Maybe it's the novelty, the practicality, or the learning value. Finally, choose one idea and start planning the experiment or project. Define the question you'll investigate, outline a hypothesis, list materials, and sketch a procedure with variables, controls, and a safe setup. Consider how you'll collect and analyze data and how you'll present results, whether that's a display board, a short report, or both. If you need more detail, ask Gemini to expand the method, suggest safety tips, or recommend ways to visualize the data, keeping everything within your grade level and resources. With a solid plan, you're ready to move from brainstorming to building a successful science fair project.